Of course, the presence of your application on App Store and Play Market itself open up new opportunities for attracting customers. But what about increasing conversions and retention with top-notch mobile-only features? With Natively, you can enable a lot of them for your app. To implement them, you need to go to documentation. There are step-by-step guides for setting up all the functions. For example, push notifications via one signal. After setting up, you can create and send notifications about sales to users, remind them about abandoned cart, and send service messages, creating an entirely new level of customer care. You can easily set up app analytics using AppsFire and Facebook. The geolocation feature will be helpful for applications like navigation, delivery, ride-sharing and taxi, e-commerce and rental apps, and many more. One of the unique features that, as far as I know, is available only natively is health kit integration. It is an excellent opportunity to enhance the health and fitness functionalities you offer users. In general, there are more than 10 different functions: advertising, NFC, access to the camera, gallery, microphone, contacts, etc. Natively team constantly adds new features that you can even vote for implementing the ones you need. Supercharge your app's journey with Natively and watch your product soar to new heights of success.